Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today's I am going to try Krea AI tool which can generate and edit images real time, which is insane. Let's try right now without wasting time. So I am going to generate an image which consists a modern house in a jungle, and let's draw some shapes and see how AI model responds to these changes real time. Woo, this is insane. Graphics of this AI looks stunning. I am going to draw a man and a car and see how real-time generate. I think I have to type the same in the prompt. I am typing that jungle with modern how with a car and man standing near it, and you can see how real-time this AI model generate the image, and we can change the prompt according to the results. I am really impressed the fastness and smoothness of generating these images, and this model generate images very close to the prompt. You also can try this AI. This is good next step for AI image generation. Comment your experience in the comment section. Let's try different styles and see how it works. There are several kind of styles you can choose with your preference. You can see there are animation styles, cartoon styles, photorealistic styles, 3D styles, and many more. There are more options you can browse and select. You can select more styles after clicking more option top of the style tab. This real-time changing styles gives you freedom to generate the image on your mind precisely and quickly. I am really impressed with this AI. I will go forward with this style. Now just we can try to insert lion to this picture. I will type that lion standing near to man. Okay, it was generated by the AI. But it is not close to the man, but okay. I think it can be adjusted by changing the prompt or by the brush tool. Let's try another feature of this video generator. You see there is a place to upload a photo near to the prompt typing area. We'll see how AI generator reacts to the uploaded photo. And there is another special thing that you can do here. You change the AI model like cartoon, CGI, photo, HD, and flux real time. You try each model with your preference. Try this new AI tool and comment below about. And there is another special thing that you can do here. You change the AI model like cartoon, CGI, photo, HD, and flux real time. You try each model with your preference. Try this new AI tool and comment below about what you like and dislike or any feedback.